Good, they haven't left yet.
You want to wish them bon voyage, right?
Oh, give me a break. That's not why we came all the way down here. We're going on board.
No, you can't do this, Serena. The Luna pen is only for sailor business.
We are going on that boat. Disguise power. Turn me into a sporty-looking photographer. Okay, time to load up the heavy baggage. Let's go, Luna! Huh? Here's our chance.
How pathetic they are. They have no idea that this ship is just a figment of our imagination.
You've done well, Titus. I'm impressed.